Hello. So I was planning to do a talk about Neville Goddard and some of his teachings, and I was just informed to speak about Emile Cady. She wrote many books, and one of my favorite ones is Lessons in Truth. She was born in the 1800s, so she was before Neville Goddard. And one of the first things that I really loved about her was that she talked about denials. And it wasn't anything that I ever actually had thought about or read about, because I knew the power of word, I know the power of thought. And I thought that every single thing that you think gets created and or manifested into our reality. And actually now I know that that isn't exactly true, but we do need to be incredibly mindful about our thoughts and about our spoken word and about our feelings. So feeling is the secret, right? But also we have a frequency, and we are our frequency. Our life reflects our frequency. So our frequency is, things that we've been carrying for lifetimes, and our body holds a frequency of all kinds of things, energies, entities, pictures, movies, all kinds of stuff, which you can have been carrying for many, many, many lifetimes, like I already said. But the frequency that we are also reflects our reality, our external reality. So really, there's no internal and external, there is only internal. So we want to be very mindful about the things that we're thinking about and the way that we feel, but also our frequency, and be able to heal or clear and lift up and raise our frequency, as well as being very mindful about the thoughts that we think and the emotions and the feelings that we feel. And sometimes those things that actually affect our emotions and or our thoughts aren't personal. In fact, a lot of times, a lot of the things that are occurring aren't really personal. So it's really important to find out who you are and own and claim who it is you are. So Emile Cady talks about this. Who is it? Well, first of all, she talks about who is God. She talks about God. God is all loving, all wisdom, all intelligence, all omnipresent in everyone and in everything. And that with God, all things are possible. So there isn't anything that can hurt you or not allow you to create the reality or the life that you desire. So that sounds pretty amazing, right? So you are a child of God, a child of the light, and you are embodied with the power to create, the power to heal, the power to love, the power to do anything that you want to do. But I ask you, are you actually activating that? Are you inviting that into your mind, to your body, to your heart, to your life? Are you inviting that in to all areas and aspects of your life, and claiming that you are actually a child of God, a child of the light? And again, with God, all things are possible. So that means that you have the most amazing power to do, be, have, create, heal inside of you. So remember, everything is inside of you, and you are pure love, pure light, pure energy, and an aspect of Creator God. And you have God living inside of you. So we're going to talk about what Emile Cady talks about. She talks about denials. Now, I didn't think that stating denials was helpful, because I thought, oh, you're only supposed to talk about the positive. Well, you're only supposed to talk about the positive, really, but you're supposed to deny anything else or everything else. So there's nothing else. There's nothing but the positive. There's nothing but love. Love is the only truth. Love is the only truth. Love is the only truth. So love is the only truth. Abundance is the only truth. Abundance of what? Love, light, peace, harmony, financial prosperity, health, and vitality. That is my truth. You must claim that as your truth every single day. Now, you want to though deny that there is anything else occurring or happening. So you want to deny, and you can state if something's occurring that you're not necessarily in agreement with, you can deny that that is actually happening and or affecting you. So you want to deny that. So I just had a little something happen where I was charged something, and I thought, oh my goodness, that, I mean, it kind of bothered me that I was charged this charge on my credit card without being notified, and it's not even a service that I use anymore. And I was like, oh, I think it was actually my error. I'm the one who made the error. I made the mistake. Okay, take a deep breath. Note that you did that. It's okay. It's only money. Just let it go. There's no loss in the mind of God. I'm operating in the oneness and the image and the likeness of God. There's no lack. Now, I don't want to be irresponsible, but there's no lack. And I made a mistake. Okay, I forgive myself. I'm sorry. Then I demanded and declared that that be like nullified and voided. Immediately, I mean within less than 3 minutes, a client that hadn't paid me just sent me money, and the almost exact, actually it was the exact amount, the very exact amount of money. This just happened right before the video. So I denied that that could affect me. I denied that that could hurt me in any way. I closed all vacuums of lack. I asked for forgiveness, and I said, okay, that's the way it is. Let's move forward. I am rising above all experiences and all situations that would seem negative. There's nothing that can hurt me. There's only God, and I am one with God. And there you go. I received that money immediately. So denials. So you're going to deny whatever's occurring. You're going to affirm who you are as a child of God, a child of the light. And with God, all things are possible. God lives inside of me, and God creates all of the magic and the miracles and all solutions to everything that I desire. And I am creating the life that I love. And I am creating the life that I love. And you want to keep repeating that all day long. So no matter what it looks like, you do your work and you just affirm, I'm always in the right place at the right time. I am always in the right place at the right time, and everything is working out for me perfectly. I deny this, I deny that, I ask that this be healed and that be healed, and I expect transformation and all beauty and love and light and healing and financial prosperity to occur within inside of me and in my life. And I keep affirming this over and over and over again. And it's going to just keep lifting you up and lifting you up and lifting you up. And just fill yourself with love and say thank you in advance. And love yourself as God loves you. And you are a child of God and a child of the light. So hold that in your heart and remember that you can achieve anything. You're beautiful and powerful. Remember that. Love, love, love.